worth investing in Bitcoin given its sort of current volatility, or?
I think it all depends on what your penchant for risk is. You know, one of the things that makes cryptocurrency attractive right now is that it's trending up, and it seems to be performing really, really well against other financial instruments on the market. You know, I think it comes down, one of the questions that we haven't really approached with cryptocurrency, or we don't have a really good grasp on, is how safe is it from outside interference? And so because it's electronic and because all cryptocurrency is within itself self-contained, you know, can it be manipulated by persons either on the inside or the outside of that transaction? A few years ago, Starbucks, when they introduced their Starbucks app, one of the challenges that they approached on that shared platform was, you know, how easy is it? How safe is that transaction going to be from outsiders? And what they found was, especially initially early on, it wasn't very safe at all. And so you had story after story of individuals hacking in and siphoning off value from those funds. We haven't seen that story yet when it comes to cryptocurrency, but you know, those would be the kinds of concerns I would worry about, especially without having that back layer of insulation like you have in banking with the FDIC, or you have other types of fiduciary remedies that might protect you in a traditional securities environment.
You know, this is Gary. There's one thing I should have mentioned. I should have mentioned with the grandmotherly kind of lecture with regard to the UC, and that is the National Peregrine case demonstrates that a lawyer should do more than just say, oh, I just filed a UCC 1 financing statement and I've perfected. There must be a consideration of who the debtor is, where the debtor is, who the creditor is, where the creditor is, the nature of the property, and then to go through the UCC in order to find whether one of the exceptions or special treatments is involved. And I emphasize that because this is a case in which somebody failed to look at what was necessary to perfect the $6 million lien, and the result was that there was no lien.